Lovelies. So today we're getting inspired by this amazing wig right here from WIGS. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So again, this wig is from WIGS right here from Amazon. I am so excited to finally try one of their wigs, and honestly, just from opening it up, it is a completely new experience. So definitely keep watching and take some notes. So when I first opened the box, one way to get into my really great graces is when you add a pair of eyelashes. So exciting that they added a pair of eyelashes. And then when I opened up this wig, I was like, oh my gosh, it is totally different than your normal Amazon wig. So first of all, let's just look at this color. So this wig also comes in several colors, which is really great, and that's what I really love, that when a wig style is really fabulous, and it comes in lots of colors. Let's take a closer look at this color, starting at the roots. So you can see it is brown roots right here, and then it really has kind of fades into this definitely golden, but you know, not too golden, ashy kind of blonde, with these beautiful blondie tips at the very bottom. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. And what I really love about this wig, it is not very heavy. It's 130% density, which is really nice. This is also heat safe as well, so if you do want to modify the curls, go for it, but I'm absolutely in love with this type of curl pattern. One of the first thing I noticed when I opened up the wig was this parting. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous that is. It is beautifully plucked, and it is like literally a solid 4 inches, which is a dream from above for an Amazon wig. So let's just go a little bit more about the construction of the wig right here. So she does have 2 combs right here on the side, and she does have a comb in the very back. She also has lace right here in the back too, which is nice. So if you do want to put her up into a pony, you can definitely do that. But she is literally pure 13 inches of lace all up in front. As for the wig cap size, she is a medium size. So if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. She also has medium tone lace, as you can see right here, and it is very soft lace. This wig does come with a wig cap, actually in black, but I will be using a wig cap that I have from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I love these wig caps. And I put my wigs on front to back. Okay, here she is. Oh my gosh, I am already falling in love. All right, so let's take a look at the hairline really quickly. So of course she is really nicely plucked out, but definitely, you know, plucking her more, depending on your needs, is always a good thing. But her parting looks fantastic, of course. So let's just take our scissors and cut off the lace. And oh my gosh, this is like literally one of the most gorgeous Amazon wigs I have tried in a very long time. This wig says it's 28 inches, but I will actually say she's probably more on the 24, being as is. I'm sure if you straightened her out, she would definitely be a little bit more. But honestly, it is perfect. It isn't overwhelming, which is really nice. So let's take our wig brush right here and lightly brush her out. She is so incredibly soft. Like, I'm honestly truly impressed with this wig. As for the shedding, extremely light shedding, you know, considering how much hair she is, which is really great. All right, so let's actually shift the wig cap just a little bit so you can see what she looks like down the middle. Of course, like I said, she is free party. Maybe we will flip her around, but let's just shift the wig cap first. Okay, so this is down the middle, which is really nice. I definitely like it down the middle. Loving it, loving it. All right, so let's shift it to the right eyebrow. Oh yes, and definitely the same kind of vibe as she does on the left-hand side. The reason why I shifted the cap is that sometimes when she's already pre-fixed with the parting, that's really how she's gonna lay like beautifully down. I am so extremely impressed with this wig from WIGS right here from Amazon. Definitely check it out if you have yet to check them out. I actually have a pink wig that they sent me as well, a pink little bob, so I'm really excited to try that one as well. So let me know if you have this wig or if you have another wig from this company, I would seriously love to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, life is short, wear a wig and have fun. And it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in this absolutely stunning wig, wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.